All right, guys, let's go ahead and check this thing out, see what it looks like. Excited?
I am.
Yeah, me too. Me too. Got our instructions right here. I think we can adjust the lengths. From what I noticed, I think these poles are adjustable. Like you can add or subtract length. So if you need it longer, you can make it longer. If we want the pendant to be like up high, we can have just one level. If we want it longer, you can add levels for the length of the, you see how right here on the instructions it shows 4? If we don't need it, we can actually...
you can add or subtract
we can add or subtract. So
that's awesome.
Yeah, so we can also make it as deep, well, as long or low as we need. So if you have a super high ceiling...
That's awesome that you have the option.
I think this thing is put together too. Like legit, we don't have to build it.
Oh my gosh. Look at that.
Okay.
Now let me move the box.
Check out.
Look how beautiful that is.
Oh man, this is gonna be night and day. Check that out.
I love that. The like rustic, like wood finish. Yeah. It's kind of like.
So this is gonna be here. Oh,
that is gonna just totally
change everything.
Upgrade that kitchen.
I mean, and the good thing is, I'm already happy because we don't even have to build this.
Yeah.
Usually, like things will be together. This is metal. This is not cheap. Okay, comes with your hanging bracket.
Oh yeah, it is.
I mean, that is amazing, guys.
That's awesome.
All right. Comes with our hanging bracket, so this is good. This is gonna actually replace that right there. Has our new wire connectors. A light is one of the easiest things to do in the house. Just make sure you do one thing, and I'm gonna show you right now what we're gonna do before you do anything messing with electricity. All right, guys, make sure you turn off all the power to whatever you're doing. It may be a little bit dark in here right now, but whatever you do, make sure you turn your power off. Don't just turn your light socket off. Go to your switches outside, turn off the switch to the power to the kitchen, and make sure you turn it all off. You don't want to be zapped. All right, guys, so what we're gonna do is right now, we're just gonna go ahead and assemble this thing. It looks like it's very, very easy. All right, guys, so we went ahead and we kind of did some review on the instructions, and it shouldn't be too hard to really get this thing going. We have to install this plate at the top, basically with 2 screws right here. This plate right here actually goes through these 2 screws, just like so, like that. Pretty simple, which will mount to the ceiling. These little dudes right here just go through there and hang. It's gonna be one of the easiest installations that we've done. So let's just go ahead and get it installed, and then when we come back, we'll have this thing all lit up, ready to go. Here we go. I got everything pretty much prepped up, ready to go to get this installed up. We got the roof part done, and we also have basically the whole lamp installed, ready to go. So this is gonna be a two-person job to make life a lot easier. You can do it with one, honestly, if you had something to prop it up high enough, like on top of a ladder, or you had a hanging tool. You can there's actually wires that come that you can hang, and the actual pendant will dangle itself. But what we're gonna do is I'm gonna use your Hercules-ness. She's gonna prop it up for a few minutes with both hands because it is kind of heavy. This thing actually has some weight to it. We're gonna prop it up really quickly. I'm gonna go ahead and connect the wires right here. We're gonna go ahead and hook that up. I'm gonna put the 2 bolts in here, and when we come back, this light will be done, installed, and you will see it on. So here we go. Pretty excited. Yep, should take us about 5 minutes. Honestly, we'll be done in 5 minutes. So you got 5 minutes of strength?
Yes.
All right, here we go. All right, guys, so we went ahead and we got it all installed. We got it ready to go. I tell you what, let's get a light bulb and let's just test it just to make sure before we do anything else on. So when we come back, we're gonna go ahead and show you the light all set up, ready to go. And this one I made, but this one is so awesome. Oh my God, look how awesome is that? Beautiful. All right, guys, this is it. This is the Farmhouse 4 light pendant from Parrot Uncle. It is amazing.
I love it.
Do you love it?
I love it.
I mean, honestly, I keep saying it because I already know the answer, but also this was the easiest thing to install ever. I'm not gonna joke.
I feel like I could have done it.
You probably could have done it.
Yeah.
So I feel like you definitely need a second person to hold it up. It's probably not 100% necessary, but because it's heavy, but it's not like overly like it doesn't weigh 50, 60 pounds, but it's got some weight to it. I mean, it is not cheap. This thing is made to last. It is awesome. I'm really, really happy with it. Again, thanks so much, Parrot Uncle, for sending this light. It is amazing. We both really appreciate it. Definitely check out Parrot Uncle. We're gonna put a link again in the description below. You have to check out their website. There is a promo code also that we got from them that we'll put right here maybe.
Yeah, they had really great prices.
Amazing prices, good sales. I mean, this really wasn't that bad. I think it was a $220 light, something like that at the time. Not on sale. They throw sales all the time on their website. You gotta check it out. It's definitely worth supporting a company like this opposed to
the big box.
The big boxes or going to the Zon, you know what I mean, seriously. But honestly, it is amazing, we love it. So again, we're gonna put a bunch of stuff down below. Check out the descriptions, check out the promo codes, check out everything with Parrot Uncle. You gotta check it out.